Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I think I do know what's in here, I just don't know exactly. You'll see it when I open it. Thanks so much to the people who sent this. Thanks to my patrons who are supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, this is pre-recorded. Whenever you're watching this, this stuff apparently goes up or is officially released on the 21st of this month, which is February of 2023. Dealers will also have them. I will try to, preemptively have the correct links down in the description so that you guys can check these out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use these links, but that's entirely up to you. So this, bless it, don't slip, was sent to me by Tactile Knife Co. I don't know about you guys, but I am a fan. If you guys have watched my reviews on their stuff, I am a very big fan of Tactile Knife Co. I believe, we got, looky here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 items in here. Wonderful. Let's take a look at the thing. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much to Tactile Knife Co. for sending these in. Obviously, they want to make you guys aware of them, and I'm pretty excited to take a look and see what we've got here. Okay, so the first item, Nautilus. Titanium Nautilus. Ooh. Oh, okay. Look, they have a little anchor on there. So these are essentially sprint runs. I looked at the message or the email from them, and it said, these are limited, not to be duplicated. So these are sprint run variants of this knife, this model, MagnaCut. This is the Rockwall, which is a knife that I have. I still have the one that they sent me a long time ago. And I carry it and use it all the time, especially when I'll tell you specifically when I do, is when I want something ultra lightweight and compact, usually like a dinner date or something like that, but I do throw it in my pocket periodically when I'm just kind of going about my day because it's such a lightweight, compact design. It's nice to have a simple drop point blade in MagnaCut. Take a look at that. That's really cool, the boat anchor there, and then we have this sort of, it's like kind of a nautical blue. So very cool. There's the first one. Next one up is Stealth. Okay, I have a feeling. Yep. Oh, man. Okay, so we've got some Cerakoted, a Cerakoted backspacer and hardware. I believe they stated that their Cerakote was done in-house. Look at that. Sweet. That's good. These are cool. These are made in the USA, by the way, which is another super cool thing. This knife, I've reviewed it. If you want to check out my review, you can just type in Metal Complex Rockwall or Tactile Knife Co. Rockwall. But yeah, I've reviewed this, and excellent. Excellent design. So to see sprint runs of this and various, they got a nice polished DLC on this, which looks really good. Yeah, so far that one's my favorite, the Stealth, right? Right. Does he know he says right all the time? Yes. The next one up is the Overlander. Okay. I do not know what that could look like. Let's find out. All right. So we've got kind of an OD green and hold on a sec. Did they do that to these? No. Okay. So this one. So we have the OD, and then we have the baked bean. I'm kidding. But look, they textured the clip. What's the theme here? Is it just like dragon scales? Overlander? I don't know. Yeah. Tumbled. That's a good looking one too. I like that one too. Very nice. So there's I imagine all the colors. This might all be Cerakote. The black also, right? It's hard to tell, because this is within the range of Anno and it has a surface finish that doesn't feel quite. I think that might be Anno. This could be Cerakote, and this could also be Cerakote. It just has a different texture feel to it. So far, these are very cool. And then finally, what do we have for the last one here? We have safety first. Okay, I gotta guess. Yep. Yep, that's what I was saying. Safety orange, right? Orange isn't my favorite, but I know some people are diehard when it comes to orange. This could also be a Halloween knife, right? Whatever you want it to be. But we have the coated blade, and then we have the exclamation point there, the safety first exclamation point. Orange, I'm going to guess Cerakote. Titanium there. Very cool, though. I like all the crazy differences here. I mean, these are all of these are completely and totally different and have their own personalities. The stealth one is definitely my favorite. The black and the red, that looks really cool. So whether you have not experienced, if you felt like the Rockwall, the standard one, the standard variants were just too plain, or whatever. If you already own one and you're just looking to do something different, they have different variants. I'm really glad that they're doing this. It's nice to see that. I mean, we see, the textured versions, and those are cool, like the hex pattern and the textured ones and the smooth ones. It's really nice. But it's nice to see some color, right? I personally like the kind of Terminator look, but I can also understand people wanting to spice it up and do different things. So this is cool. And I like the added touches of personality on the non-show side of the pivot. I think that's really cool. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. If they intend for me to keep these, rest assured, I'll be giving a couple away. So if you didn't know, a lot of the stuff that's given to me for free by retailers and OEMs and whoever, it ends up being given away on live streams, which I usually do Friday or Saturday evenings. So if you needed a reason to subscribe, make sure to subscribe. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.